Mornings with my boys. They're playing with each other. So we're like wide awake. Oh, look at him smiling at you. Prepping to go out to Joshua Tree. We didn't get to go last night, but we will go today, hopefully sometime. We planned to go like 4 a.m., but then it became 6 and 7 and 8, and now it's 9 a.m. So let's try to get there sometime today. We have Scooper here hanging out. He's really needy. I had to clean up some stuff and he was really fussy, so now I'm spending some time with my boys. We have Sky over there, chilling like a real. Hi! Hi! Thương lắm nha. Ha! Brian's doing some last minute work and we should head out. We are ready! Everything is done except for small little trinkets, but it's okay, it's still usable. And I'm talking about like stuff like this, trims, which I can deal with, I can handle later. But here it is. We're ready to go to our first trip, maiden voyage. Check this out, new car seats, cover, so much better, cuter. The other one was like bad. I mean, I painted it, but I feel like it still needs extra protection. And so this is the style that I chose, super cute. And up here, look at that. We have a little bedding situation where you can lounge. I put this on here because this does get dirty, so I scotch guard it, but just to make sure, I want to extra protect it, okay? Because I'm that extra. We have the beds here as well. You can have 2 people here if you fold it down. Pillows, throws, these little cute rattan chairs. Scooper will only sit in these because I'll sit with him, so you need to be eye level so that he can stay off the couch since you know he might dirty it. And it's too high for him. Sometimes he climbs and he doesn't like it anyway. So here, open it, Brian. It's too tall for me. Yes. No, the doors. So we have snackaroos, rice, and we have more snacks, chocolate bread, pistachios, and we have popcorn. And then we have instant noodles in case, and mac and cheese. Mama's got everything handled. Brian thinks I'm crazy, but honestly,
it's a one-day trip.
Yes, but it's useful. Whoever needs. And then we got lights. These are for the yurt. They're touch light. Touch it, Brian. Just press it. No, the top. Yeah, and it goes through. Yay! And then these are empty for now. Whoever wants to take control, then do that. Seating section, we have lovely decor. Brian hates decor, but who cares? I love decor. And we have another rattan chair here. Technically Scooper and the twins, but for now we're gonna sit. Counters done. We have the towel rack. This, I was gonna put curtains, but I felt like these curtains were too thick, so I'm gonna get something thinner. And for now, we're gonna use it as a towel rack in case you wash your hand, you just throw it here or whatever, right? To dry it. And then here we have coffee station, all this good stuff. The finest beans. Yeah, the finest beans. And tea. And down here, we have booze. This is from Kimmy. She brought it. She knows me that well. I need it. Since I've had kids, it's been crazy. Water for kids, cooking wear, alcohol wipes, clean stuff like to clean, wash, whatever, spray, disinfect. And we have the what do you call it, air fryer. Good to go. In here, of course, we have to have really good scented trash. Smells good. Utensils, these Velcro. I'm going to like Velcro everything down because when we go, we're gonna have to secure everything. Nobody flies out. And then here we have knives and cookware. Do we need this? What's this doing in here?
Whatever. We'll put it somewhere else.
Okay, so let's just put it here for like stuff.
Up here?
Over here? Oh, up here? Oh yeah, that's right. Towels. Then we have, in case we're not hooked up, we can use disposable. But if we are hooked up, we can recycle and, you know, wash our dishes.
Cell phone booster.
These are, hold on. These are all acrylic, so they won't break. And they're lightweight, so yes. Cell phone booster in case you're in the middle of the boon town. So TV for entertainment, microwave. This is useless because it's all, yeah, It's all BK, and this is useless too. It's just cute. Then we have in here for the kids, we have taquitos, pizza, for Mama Tito's. We have the desserts, ice cream, waffles, cream puffs. This tastes like Lady M, by the way. And Scooper's coming in. What you got there?
He's doing more work.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have palm juice, Chardonnay, Fiji water, more palm juice, wasabi because I bought abalone. And then over here, champagne to celebrate that we completed this process. Lee's coffee in case Brian wants to do that. Fiji water and mashed potatoes. We have sea bass and shrimp. We have abalone right
You should
here.
put that down so it doesn't stack.
Okay, you're the one who put it up. I can't even reach.
Because you took out the other one.
Okay, and then this right here is
No, ice cream.
I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's salad, veggies, sandwiches, fruits, strawberries, the bacon, cheese board, alcohol. This is mushroom caps, water.
Let me move that down.
Okay, so we're gonna move on to this section right here. Let's just push this. Shower. You guys can see it's locked, so I have to unlock. We have that. Looks so good. I love it. I already showered, but you know who wants to shower, they can shower, but I'm good for today. We have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
Look at him now.
And over here, look at you.
Good time.
How cute. You gotta take your shoes off, honey. You gotta teach him. Okay, we have trash, toilet, thingy, scrubber. Here we have the hand soap and the lotion. So I just put this up so it's not dried yet, but it will be, and I'll knock it in. Then we have towels. This is to make the toilet smell good. The black hole down there, because you don't want to stink. Floss. What do you call it? Earwax picker. Remember to flush, because some people don't. You know, you gotta do that. Keep it clean. I have some disposable toothbrush, toothpaste, and everyone gotta keep it clean and fresh. Poopery. Okay, so let's see. Let me knock this in. I don't know how I did it before, but I did it. Oh, okay, let's do that. It's pretty secure. Then we have this section. Clothes for babies, formula, diapers, medicine, baby clothes, extra. All these are comforters, towels, throws. This is the sanctuary for the master. Mwah. And that's it. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy our first trip. This is for the fireplace. Yeah, we're good to go. Ready to rock and roll. Let's do this. Yay. Oh my God. And Scooper wood. We are here in Joshua Tree. Look at that. Ah, it's in my way. 2 hours later. Chilling like a villain. Babies are still asleep. And we're having snacks. Me and Scooper. So cute. was late and now she's early. Kids were really good the whole time. Until now, right when we land. Oh. We are here, diaper change for the boys, and ready to rock and roll. It's hot. All right, so we have babies stinking up the place. So here's our diaper genie, nice and snug. Sleep next to poop, you know, but at least it'll keep the stench away. Smell better than my husband. Let's go. So I got that going for babies to tummy time. We don't have to get the big mat. Runner's good enough. You can put him down to me. Just move this out of the way. All right, let's party! We are outside and it's hot. The sun is beating. Let's go check out my sister's RV. Or actually her little hauler. It's not an RV. Look at that, she got this whole picnic set up. Just 2 of them. Got the little cooler. Can you turn off the music? This is her sandstorm. Should we take our feet off the patio or?
Come on in.
Cribs. AT
Check out
cribs.
my crib.
Yes.
I've already seen this.
And it's leveled. Oh, look at that. A patio. It's cooler inside than it is outside, right? I feel like it's like hot outside, but inside is cooler. Well, from here is okay.
This fits your razor?
Yeah. We have to drive it all.
Coolio.
It fits right here too, or this holds up? Oh wow.
So they could sleep.
There's like a little bar.
What you got in the refrigerator?
Nothing special this time. We just kind of took stuff from our fridge.
Bless you.
I'm just gonna stand here because it's hot.
No.
Rude. Okay, let's go check the freezer.
Oh,
Spring.
wow.
Frozen? How you gonna defrost that? You can do this tonight or
Man,
what?
you put it outside for like 10 minutes
Yeah,
and
put it on
frost.
the counter 5 minutes later.
Oh really?
Girl,
It's so hot?
100 degrees outside.
I meant the
You want
meat.
cheese? You want applesauce?
Wow. Look at Auntie good it up.
Yeah. Yummy.
She even brought milk.
I got milk for the
Wow.
babies.
Wow.
See what's up over here.
Say thank you, Auntie.
Wow.
You want to open it or no?
These are your mattress?
These are the matches that came with it.
Oh, okay. I was like,
I'm
whoops.
sorry. And then bathroom.
Where does that door open to? The other side? How cool.
It's like a
It's like my house. You just go in a circle.
going.
Oh, shared. I see. Nice.
Yeah, this is all
Nice.
stock, and it was really good.
Yeah, I mean, it was better. It's better condition than ours when we bought stock. Hey, hey, hey. Say thank you. Thank you, Corey.
Mr. Corey.
Okay, we're getting settled in. Look at Scooper in his chair. Scooper! Come sit in your chair, honey. Come on, baby shark. Come on, baby. Come sit in your chair. Look how big he is now. His dad's missing out.
Yeah, let's sit on this.
He's working.
Yours.
Cool. Cool.
Wow. big
Can you say thank you, Auntie Brittany? He got the beat. He got the beat. Thank you, Auntie Brittany. Yeah. So cute. Ooh. It is super hot, so they got their awning going. We would have had one, but Scooper broke it because he was pressing the buttons back and forth. Look at Kiba. She got her little hammock going. Oh my goodness. Sunblock, Scooper. You gotta put it on. It's hot. His legs.
Seasoning your.
Run, 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 run.
Oh, you guys didn't season it yet?
What the hell does that mean?
You're supposed to spray it with like the Scotch guard stuff.
Scooper being a big help. Look at him. Roll it, roll it. Muscle, muscle. Be strong. Be strong. Yay. Brian's literally making him do all the work.
Good
Oh my
job,
God.
Cooper, keep going.
Yay! Yay! Be strong! Yay! Lazy ass folks here.
That's why I want kids. Labor. Free labor.
The scooper, his hammer. Bless you, honey. Hard day's work, huh? There you go. Yep. Hammer down, scooper. Hammer down. Okay, water break. Water break. He does like 10 water breaks. Oh my goodness. Water break. Cheers. Cheers. Water break.
Man down, man down.
Careful, honey.
Cheers.
Get back up. Be strong. Cheers, honey. Water break. The boys are napping. Cheers, Kimmy. Cheers, Core. Baby's asleep. It's hot over there. Are they sleeping? Oh, this one was fussy earlier. They get fussy and then they knock out. So cute. Thank you, Mr. Corey. This guy knows how to rock himself. This one doesn't. Look at this one. He's like, he just starts doing something. This one doesn't. 10 is kind of up, and Scooper is trying to set up with his dad. What's going on, honey? Whoa. Okay. Move everything?
Or actually, I don't know if you can hold this or you could stake it because it's gonna fall. Because I need to stake it because I removed it.
Okay. It's a family affair. Get this yurt up. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hmm? Where's Daddy? Daddy's inside? Hello. Huh? Oh yeah. You should probably do the other way. The other way. This way? Like this way.
There's a rubber black circle. You put it
No. Like this way. Faster, faster. Okay, I got one in. Take off your shoes before you enter the yurt, even during erection. Okay? Shoes off, Scooper. Mommy's gonna be mad at you. This is the most important job here, right here. Yes, it is. Like a circus in here. He's taking off his shoes. Oh my gosh. Yay, go inside. Mommy's inside. Shoes and socks, huh?
Thank you.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay.
Pull as tight as you can for out, okay?
Wow. It is a circus.
Oh my god. Definitely not a one-person job like they advertise. But Scooper was definitely a huge help. High five!
High five.
Yeah.
High five.
That's my boy. He'll be like your
High five.
uncles.
Yay. So cute. Wow. It is nice in here though. I could see the beautiful ambient lighting.
You know that you can lift all of this down and then just have the tent up?
I know,
that's
that's so
it?
cute. Oh yeah. That's
all
cool.
that could go down and just the tent is up.
That's cute.
Just the tent. Well, who wants to bring dirt in here, right?
It smells like a pool.
Oh yeah. Clean.
I got you.
Yeah. This one I gotta.
Checking up on the babies and their babysitter. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Alright, so we are blowing up the air beds. These are queen beds. All 4. Yay! Oh no! Champagne poured! Oh my god. Look at Scooper. Helping out. Big help. Yeah! Careful, careful, careful. Yay! One more.
Yeah, that one. Hey, let's do that one.
Super. Let's go. Here we go.
You should lead, babe.
1, 2, 3.
Babe, you should lead. Okay.
We don't love you, Megan. Help out.
She almost knocked it for me.
Wow, good reflexes, Cooper. Yay.
Good dodge.
Okay.
he saw that coming. Scooper, help mommy.
That was good.
He's like, I'm not touching that. Are you putting sheets on these or?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you want to decorate it? You want me to get the lamps and all that? Okay.
Memorial Day weekend, hurrah! We got stars and the watermelon refreshments.
Wait.
Wait. Why don't you take a photo? Hold on, let me get this. There you go. Tag me.
That's so cute.
Okay. Bon appetit. Say thank you, Mama. Okay, put it on the table, okay? Happy Memorial Day. Okay, put it on the table before you drop it, okay? Careful. Careful.
Yummy blueberries. He's dancing.
Here, come here. Food's getting cold.
29 pounds edition.
Yes. Welcome. Queen beds for all my queens.
Ooh.
Here.
Kind of dark in here.
Throne. But don't worry. Let me help you out. Ding.
Bam.
Ding. And then 2, 3. That's the brightest. There you go. Here it is. Chairs. Chill. Breather. This is basically for my kids. I know that it's kind of like way pre, but I feel like in a few years we're gonna use this. It's gonna be Scooper, Sky, Rain, Mom and Dad, and then what if we have another one? Who knows, right? We gotta share.
They share beds. I don't know. Forget.
But even if they share, like me and you, Rain, Sky, Scooper, and then if we have one more kid, then it's all done deal, right? What I'm really upset about is this. Brian's scuffing up everything, every time, everywhere.
That hole.
It's
The bug.
just the
What kind of bug is this?
Annoying thing ever.
It is a memory you will take
What is that?
with you forever.
Your first desert trip. Oh my god, so
What bug is that?
anyways, you guys are welcome to stay, chill, whatever. We can do kumbaya in here. But yeah, this is a setup for our future for the next 5 years until the kids decide they don't want us anymore. They want video games. But y'all saw how
They want
hard it
girlfriends.
was to set this up, right?
No, we got this
There
down
was
now.
blood drawn. Yeah, we got it down. Okay, first of all,
I didn't do nothing.
I
but
thought we were difficult, but
No, honestly, I think we could do it in 5 minutes.
yes, but
Right,
we
now
had to
that we
learn.
know.
The learning curve was a little difficult. Look at the skies, so pretty. So sometimes you can catch the like northern lights kind of here, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get lucky today. But this is the most of it. I only have 1 day here because I have to go sing on Sunday. So I have a red-eye flight. I have to leave tomorrow. This is the first time. I'm not a camper kind of person. I don't think I enjoy camping, but because now I have kids, I want to make the best for my kids. And everything is just more enjoyable when you have kids and you want to share the world to them and give them the best of life. So there we have it. I do things for my family, the people I love, and that's what counts. So cute. So we're starting up the what is this called, T? What is this called? Mush pot. Smush pot? Smudge pot. Careful, Scoops. Is it my birthday? What's going on? Look at this guy. Helping hands.
Double trouble.
Double trouble. There you go.
Hi, Scooper.
A dream husband right there. Okay, so this is looking really, really good right now with the back lighting. Wow,
I need to install speakers.
very cute.
Is it hooked up to your TV?
These are my chairs.
player.
How do you like these chairs? Originally, I was gonna get like I was gonna get one that has like a cup holder, but I was like, no one's gonna freaking babysit.
Hashtag nature.
Oh, so cute.
Look at you, all messy.
No one's babysitting their drinks. That's it.
Oh yeah, like you were earlier.
My drink is gone. I put it down in the glass.
Give me a percentage of battery on the solar display. Well, I think I can look at some voltage, but it's still me percentage. So it's like the 90%.
You should turn it off too. No? Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I thought you wanted to do nature.
Hey, baby, what are you doing? Brian keeps promising a barbecue, but like, I don't think
That's him having fun.
So dirty. You're so dirty. I didn't get meat. Are you telling me to feed you right now? Is that what you're trying to ask? You have to do it after the babies are done. So another half an hour to feed. Try to feed them the whole thing. If not, if they won't take it, then put them down. Careful, careful. You're dirty. Dirty. Look at this. Okay. Dirty.
started the pilot.
Kids are down, or actually the twins are down, and we are starting the party. We're gonna do a bonfire and also cook off the grill. Scooper's been a big help today. Such a big help.
That could be a camping.
I know, right?
It'll burn a little faster.
High five, Scooper. High five.
Oh my goodness. Scooper, fire. Back it up, please. Can we back it up? Hot. Come on, back it up. Yes, please. Back it up. Mommy doesn't like that. I was gonna get a lighter, but Brian would always say min's too extra, so.
We had a lighter in the drawer.
She would have bought like the freaking torch candle on the
Yeah, I would have. But he had to calm me down. He's like, don't be too extra when you go in camping. Scooper! Ryan! No. Back it up. Ryan, stand next to mommy. Right here. Stand next to mommy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stand next to mommy. Fire! Ooh, fire. Careful, okay? Back it up. Too hot. Back it up.
No, he was falling because you were like lighting, so he wanted to. You wanted, yeah, because it was still just starting up. Yeah, because you were going like lighting in different areas, so he's like walking around.
This guy all talk. Oh, I want to go camping. I want to do a grill, and all of a sudden he's like, "Why don't we just use the air fryer? It's so much easier." Look at he brought the air fryer.
I know.
Late night, we're chilling, everyone, and
Spider.
this is a spider.
It was in our tent.
I was in the tent.
in the water bottle?
Leo caught it.
There you go. Good job, Leo. Look at that shit, guys.
Let me see. No, I'm not looking.
I hope our
Okay, so here we are chilling, bonfire. The fire's out, but good stars. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty cute. Alright guys, good night.
So.
Good morning! We're wide awake. We survived the night. I didn't do so bad. I didn't black out. Good for me. Kimmy's got 2 babies up here, chilling. Look at them. Ah. Oh my goodness. Starting our day strong.
Doing some cooking.
Some cooking. Getting some bacon ready.
Bacon's raw.
All the way out there. It's hot, so I'm staying here for a moment. It's hot, so you're staying here until the awning is out. Then I'll go out.
Windy.
Look at that. Air fryer is the best thing for the RV. It's so quick, convenient, and you can clean it. Like the oven, you have to like. I can't deal with the cleaning. But we didn't really barbecue yesterday. We just air fried everything.
I barbecued some stuff.
Yeah.
Corn, sausages. Do we have beef?
We have beef today. The air fryer is everything, okay?
And
microwave. We got the coffee going.
Get my coffee.
So yeah. Ready to enjoy. So we are migrating to the yurt. We were able to pull up the bottom half so we can get some airflow. It's really, really hot, so this is the perfect awning since ours not working. Thanks to Scooper. But here we go. Chilling in here with my boy. Nice
She said
breeze.
he'll be out by
playing.
the end of the month, May 31st. So let me ask her, do you know when?
So babies are in the yurt, chilling like a villain. They've been really good. Scooper, a little fussy, but he's got his toys now. He doesn't want to eat, but he will. And then, we're doing barbecue right now. Let's go check out the food. Is it cooked?
Too cooked.
Too cooked?
The first batch, we're like, it's taking forever, and then
We lower it.
then we lowered the grill, and then now it's
Better?
burning it.
No, it's not.
It's pretty hot.
Excuse
No.
the first battle.
No.
Blame it on your husband. He brought it down too low.
Okay, my. Look at this guy. Premium stuff comes after. Huh? What you got?
Steak.
Steak and Corey's special seasoning sauce. Bomb. Damn, look at that. Looking good. Looking real good. We are definitely glamping. We moved to this section because that area got really hot and the sun is beating real hard right now. And it's windy, so it'll blow everything. Anyways, here we have Uni. Yes. So it's basically an oven down here. It's Boozy and Fussy, and I think Corey came over and to just squirt him because he was so whiny. So now, after squirting him, he's happy. Squirt him again. Yay! And he keeps clean because he's super dirty all day, everywhere.
It's a water fight.
Yes. And these chairs are waterproof, so yeah.
They're fancy chairs. I like this. The flies keep.
Okay, here we go. Ice water. There you go. Yee! Yee! There you go. Babies are about to sleep. They're super fussy, but they don't want water. Yee! Ice water right here. Pizza time! Who wants pizza? We're moving into the RV because it's super hot. Transferring into AT's RV. Oh my god. We gotta utilize every single space we have.
Well, we all know he likes water.
He was not digging it there for a bit though. He was just he was too over.
Who's a little Ottoman?
He's just so annoyed with everything.
But as soon as he got
Rain
cooled
doesn't
off,
like it because he has enough rain. So sad.
It's like,
But I'll take it.
yeah, makes it irritable.
Oh, so cute. It's so weird because even though like they're twins or whatever, sometimes Brian gets confused, but Scuba doesn't.
Really?
Yeah, he goes-
That is so cute.
He goes,
He's on a different
I'm gonna
frequency.
kiss rain, and he goes to rain. Kiss rain.
I
Aww.
don't even know.
Yeah, it's the weirdest
Well,
thing.
in a couple months, you're gonna need to ask Cooper into it.
Yeah.
I'm still saying you should scar one of them.
Rain is not happy right now.
Pierce one of them now.
Tattoo or
Okay.
yeah, pierce one of their ears.
Rain does not like the water. We're just chilling. It's super hot. Downtime, and I know, forget all the time. Windy and Yaya's here. Who's here? It's Yaya. Scooper's happy. Someone to play with. He's been wanting Booby, but Mom's like, no.
This one.
Yaya's here. Yaya's here. Lisa's chilling here, and it's super windy. That's why we're inside, but it's still kind of giving us some craziness. It's like about to blow the whole RV over. We're setting down everything because it's crazy, and we might leave tonight if it goes down, hopefully. Into this RV. It's super windy outside. Sea bass. A whole lot of food here. Lisa babysitting. Everyone's chilling. Alright, cheers. Yay. Cheers, cheers.
Is there a can in there?
TV remote. Where's that at?
It's over here.
We are moving and we have to hold everything down. Every single person has to, and we didn't even survive because look, water shit. Oh my god. All right, clean up, everybody clean up. Late night and we are heading home. It's a lot of wind, but let's hope that we travel safe. Don't roll over. Feeding the babies. You can't see, but yeah, it's a hot right now. Good night. Good night, guys.